My mate Andy and I, we've spent the last 4 days travelling around Wales, exploring on the KTM adventure bikes. It's been absolutely awesome, like really good experience, great trails, beautiful place to be. Now we're here at the Sweet Lamb Adventure Bike Training Academy, something that KTM the UK back, and we're allowed to basically explore this awesome property and have some fun. I reckon that line there would work, like soak this bump up, compress into there, kick, land up on the back wheel like a legend and ride away on the back wheel.
It'll be fine.
Signing autographs with one hand.
Yeah, it's all solid on the top in the bracket, so what could go wrong? I've only seen one guy do it on an enduro bike, and I was like, whoa, code brown.
Worth a go, you'll catch me if it goes wrong.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Who doesn't want to catch an 890? Alright, give it a go.
Send it.
Alright.
Close enough, bloody hell.
Alright, on the rally car roads. Let's get some wheelies time. Oh, I'm losing it. Can't get you up on my brain. I think I'm going insane. You keep on burning me hot. I was fire. Now I just can't get away. You got me caught in your net. You keep on burning me hot. This is an adventure bike training centre. Why did you guys build a supercross track?
Well, you got to get a bit of airtime under you, haven't you?
Luckily, I suck at supercross. This is a hell of a playground. It's unreal.
Isn't it? I get to work it. Can't go wrong.
Isn't it? So what's the plan? Where are we going from here?
So we're going to shoot over here, past the pond, and then we're going to head out towards the coast, Aberystwyth, a little bit of the Tetton trails, a little bit rockier, go get an ice cream.
Yeah, I'll have an ice cream.
spot.
What a spot.
So you got Aberystwyth just in the distance,
Oh, yeah.
and the sea. So we're halfway up Wales.
Okay.
Should be a few red kites around here flying around.
Yeah.
But I think we scared them off.
It's a beautiful place, eh? And that was a great ride. Thank
Cool.
you so much.
No, I enjoyed it. Brilliant.
Where's the ice cream?
Yeah, sorry about that.
All right, I'll tip the tour guide. It's on me.
Awesome.
You guys,
Cheers.
I'm assuming you guys all want sprinkles?
Yes, please.
Oh, yeah, whatever we can get. Cheers.
All right, here you go.
Hey, here we go.
That was the best I could find in this scenario.
Flake, it's got my name on it. Cheers.
Lovely.